So welcome back. We are gearing up for the start of another busy holiday season, and let's face it, avoiding any meltdowns would be nice. Organization expert Ty Edwards is here to help us make a list and then check it twice.
Absolutely. How are you today, Belinda?
Oh, so good. Feeling a little stressed out, so help me get my day in line.
Okay, so we just got done with Halloween?
We just passed up Halloween. Halloween is dead to us until next year. Now it's on to the holidays.
So the first thing you want to do is make lists. I love lists. I tell people all the time, you want to make a list for all the things that you need to do, whether it's parties or meals you need to plan, Christmas cards, shopping, things like that. Everything that you need to do, you need to make a list, because once you make a list, you have it down, you're subject not to forget something that you need. Except sometimes people forget their list.
Sometimes people forget their list,
Yes.
so this one's perfect because you can carry it around.
You can put it in your purse, and if you're thinking about something, you can always jot it down.
Yeah, awesome.
So then the other thing that I think is important is once you have your list, you need to prioritize. And you think about what you have to do, when you need to do it, so you can actually purchase things ahead of time. There are things that you may have to purchase the day of, so you kind of make sure you know where your priorities lie. And you also want to make sure that as you prioritize, you take time for yourself, because
self-care goes by the wayside.
Yeah, we just kind of don't take care of ourselves. So we should prioritize. We should also ask for help, because people don't like to ask for help. I have no problem asking for help. Yes.
Little help over here?
Yes, because you can't do it all. And if you're all run down, you're not good to anyone.
Right.
So like I said, after you prioritize and after you take care of yourself, plan for like a spa day, something just to pamper yourself, just to kind of make sure that you just woosah, relax, enjoy the time, because once the season just hits it, you just don't really have time to do that.
Okay,
so take your vitamins, take your spa.
Awesome. So we've got the self-care, we've got the list. What's next?
So once you've got your list, especially when it comes to shopping, you think about, okay, what are you going to do? How are you going to do it? Where are you going to do it? I use this app called Gifters, and all year long, I add things to it for my family, because one thing I hate is people go shopping like, I don't know what to buy. If you take time to listen to your family and your friends and you hear, oh, I really would like to have XYZ, Gifters is a great app for that, and you can just put it on, you can add the link where you find it, and then you can just purchase as you need it.
Okay, and this is a big time for holiday cards. You've got an awesome tool over there.
Yes, so my holiday cards, a lot of times I use labels, because it just depends on how many, but some people still like to write out their cards. This is a little template that you can purchase at one of the stationery stores, and you can actually line it up and use it to do a straight line, because unfortunately I can't make a straight line.
And we can say goodbye to my kindergarten writing that just goes uphill.
Right, that's me, that's me.
Yeah.
So I usually don't do that. The other thing I say is also, when you take time to relax, enjoy the season. Think about why are we doing it? Yes, it's a beautiful time. It's a wonderful time, great time to spend time with family and friends. But when you're so busy, you don't have time to relax. Enjoy a book with your children. Go out and see the lights. Do all sorts of fun. Yes, that's my beautiful family. Do all sorts of wonderful things. But just remember the reason for this season, and it's not about the gifts. It's about family and friends and thankfulness.
Absolutely, and religious meanings for a lot of people, and of course spending that time with your family.
That's
so precious.
So important.
I love that last tip. Ty, thank you so much.
Very welcome.
Bill